Most gardeners think you shouldn't transplant cucumbers, and they're right, if you use the wrong size container. But if you do it properly, they can grow faster, stronger, you end up with more cucumbers. I've already planted 7 of these, but I'm going to give you a demonstration with this one to show you exactly how I do it. I've already got potting mix in here. This is a 4-inch container. The reason it's the right size container for cucumbers, it allows enough space for the roots to grow out, so when I go to transplant it, it doesn't have transplant shock. So I have my seeds here, putting one in the middle, one off to the side. The reason I'm doing that, in case one doesn't germinate, then I have a backup. Cucumbers don't like to go too deep, so I'm only going to put it down about 1/2 inch. Once I've done that, I just cover it up. The next thing to do is watering. I like to use a spray bottle and water it in just until the water's glistening on top, so it's watered properly but not overwatered. Once these have their true set of leaves, I'm going to bottom water so that they don't get overwatered. In an upcoming video, when they're ready, I'm going to put these in the greenhouse and show you exactly how I do that.